Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Doom Eternal game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings for best performance on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Doom Eternal game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, press the K button or click on the gear icon at the bottom left. Now once you are inside the settings page, click on Video, and now you can choose your resolution and change various other settings. Now if you're noticing screen tears within your game, then you can enable VSync, and it is also recommended to enable Present from Compute. Now underneath you have the video options, from which you can change various different options. If you don't have much system resources, then make sure that ray tracing is disabled, and you can also turn off motion blur. Now within the advanced section, you can find the overall quality dropdown. There are various different presets available, and just to be safe, you can choose the high preset first. At the top, you will be shown how much of your VRAM is being used and how much is available. Click on the Apply Changes button to save your change, and then you can go into your game and see how your new settings feel. If your performance is not good enough, then you can come back to the advanced menu and try reducing either from the overall quality, or you can also manually reduce the secondary details such as water quality, the motion blur quality, reflections, shadow, as well as depth of field. You can also try resolution scaling mode, and from here you can render the game at a lower resolution and then upscale to get a little extra performance. Now if you have DLSS supported, then you can also turn this on to reduce the load on your GPU. Once you have found the perfect balance of quality and performance, you can apply these settings and start enjoying the Doom Eternal game with optimized graphic. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Doom Eternal game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.